Good morning, all of you.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so
Good morning, ma'am.
yes, good morning. So we were having a look at the conjunctions. Once again, what are conjunctions?
A conjunction is a word which join two words or phrases or sentences.
All right. Clauses also. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right. So uh, that day we had a look at coordinating conjunctions. So words such as and, but, or, nor, for, yet, so, when they join two sentences, all right, and they join two independent clauses, means part of a sentence is what is an uh, clause. What is a clause? That day I told you that clause is a part of a sentence. It contains a subject and predicate of its own, and it also has a verb in it. Clauses can be of two types, dependent clauses and independent clauses. So independent or the main clause, now that part of a sentence that can stand on its own as a complete sentence and does not require the rest of the sentence to make its sense complete, that is called a principal as the or the main clause or the independent clause. And that part of the sentence which requires the rest of the sentence to make its sense complete, that is called as an dependent clause or a subordinate clause. So coordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions which join two independent clauses. Now we come to subordinating conjunctions. Page number 115. Subordinating conjunctions such as when, who, because, till, since, so that, unless, if. Now all these words are used to join an independent clause with a dependent clause. So the first one, coordinating conjunctions, was used to join two independent clauses. Here subordinating conjunction, as the term the word itself suggests, now it is used to join one independent clause along with a dependent clause. For example, see the first one. Whenever the door opens, the dog runs outside. See both parts of the sentences. First is whenever the door opens, then you have a comma, and the second part is the dog runs outside. Okay, now who will tell me which part of this sentence can stand on its own as a complete sentence and does not require the rest of the sentence to make its sense complete? Yes, there's a comma.
The
So
dog runs outside.
okay, the dog runs outside. Now that can be taken as a separate sentence also. The dog runs outside, so that it is making a complete sense, and so it is an independent clause. Whereas the other part of the sentence, whenever the door opens, now this is making some sense but not a complete sense. So uh, here it is a part of a sentence, so it is a clause also. And now this is a dependent clause because it requires the rest of the sentence to make its sense complete. And so subordinating conjunctions, they are used to join an independent clause along with a dependent clause. And have a look at one more example. When the bell rang, Dhruv ran to answer the door. In this sentence, tell me which is a dependent clause and which is the independent clause. Yes, hurry up. Come on. When the bell rang, comma, Dhruv ran to answer the door. Which part is dependent and which is independent?
Ma'am, Dhruv ran to answer the door. It is independent. And
Okay.
when the bell rang is dependent.
Okay. Right. Correct. So when the bell rang, bell rang, something happened, maybe someone at the door, we don't know. So now that is dependent because it requires the rest of the sentence, like Dhruv ran to answer the door. Then we come to understand the whole thing. Okay, that when the bell rang, Dhruv, he went out to answer the door. So that is why the first part is a dependent clause because it requires the rest of the sentence to make its sense complete, whereas the part Dhruv ran to answer the door, now that is making a complete sense on its own, and if required it may stand as a complete sentence also. So this is the independent clause. Okay, now there are different kinds of subordinating conjunctions. Let's have a look. Time. So like the words before, after, till, until, since, when, while, as, or whenever. The train had arrived before I reached the station. Then I reached the station after the train had left. So there are different kinds of subordinating conjunctions. First, which tells time. Second, reason or cause. Words like because, since, as, now, whereas. Let's look at an example. He was punished because he hadn't done his homework. So the words which tell reason. Okay, then place. Where, wherever. He hid the treasure where no one could find it. Where? Okay, so subordinating conjunction can tell time, reason, cause, place, or purpose. So that, so that, then so that together, lest, in order that. So it also tells the purpose. We eat so that we may live. That what is the purpose of our eating? So that we may live. Next, they also tell result. uh, the words that, so, so that, so, and like they were so tired that they slept immediately. They tell the result that they were so tired because they were so tired, so that they slept immediately. So the result also. Then condition. If, unless, even if, provided that, in case, on condition that. Now subordinating conjunctions can also tell about a particular condition, like if it rains we'll stay indoors. So it is talking about a condition that if it is raining then we'll stay indoors. Obviously if it is not, then you can go out to play. Unless you do your homework you cannot go out to play. So there's a condition that if you fulfill the first one then the second will happen. So unless you do your homework you cannot go out to play. Okay, then subordinating conjunctions can also be used to compare, for comparison, like the words as, than, whereas, as much as, rather than. And the example, he is not as sincere as his brother. So we are making a comparison between him and his brother. So he is not as sincere as his brother. Okay, he writes more neatly than the other boy in the class, so again a comparison between between he and the other boy in the class. Okay, then subordinating conjunctions also be used for concession. Now what does concession here means? Here it means that you highlight, they talk about an action that took place in spite of a particular obstacle or a hindrance. So concession words, they are used to highlight a particular action that took place in spite of a hindrance or an obstacle, like that though he is poor he is honest, that in spite of him being poor he is honest. Although they tried their best they didn't succeed. That although it is telling about an action that took place instead of their, in spite of their obstacle or hindrance, that though they tried everything but still they couldn't succeed, and though he is poor yet he is honest. Okay, so the next exercise is based on this. Exercise number C. Join each pair of conjunctions using the conjunction given in the brackets. So words are already given in the brackets. You have to use them to join these pair of sentences. First one. Now the industries have fewer workers. Full stop. The machines have never replaced men. Yes, join the sentence using the word because.
Now the industries have fewer workers because the machines have replaced men.
Okay, right, correct. Now the industries have fewer workers because the machines have replaced men. So you have to add because in the middle. Everybody was upset. Full stop. She gave a little laugh. You have to add these two sentences using the word till.
Everyone was upset.
Hmm?
Everybody was upset
Hmm.
till she gave a little laugh.
Okay. Correct. Everybody was upset till she gave a little laugh. Next. They will have to live in a rented house. Full stop. They do not have their own house.
They will have to live in a rented house since they do not have their own house.
Correct. They will have to live in a rented house since they do not have their own house. Okay, next, fourth. Don't eat too much. You will be ill. Otherwise.
Don't.
Ma'am, don't eat too much,
Hmm.
otherwise you will be ill.
Okay, otherwise you will be ill. Don't eat too much, otherwise you will be ill. Number five. He started late. Full stop. He finished his work.
Started late though he finished his work.
Yes. Anyone else?
Ma'am, though he started late, comma, he finished his work.
Or you can write that he finished his work though he started late. Okay, so the first part will come after the conjunction. He finished his work though he started late. Next one. He is intelligent, his brother is equally intelligent. You have to use the word as. Yes, come on. He is. Yes, he is as intelligent as his brother. Write down. He is as intelligent as his brother. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. It was very hot. We had to take shelter under a tree so that. Who will tell? You have to use both the words so and that. Start with it was.
Ma'am, it was hot, so we had take that shelter under a tree.
Yes, make some changes here and there. It was so hot. Okay, it was so hot that we had to take shelter under a tree. It was so hot that we had to take shelter under a tree. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. He saw a bus coming. He waved his hand to stop it. When? Start with when?
When he saw a bus coming, he waved his hand to stop it.
Correct. When he saw a bus coming, he waved his hand to stop it. Next. I have come. I may help you. So that. Use the word so that.
I have come so that I can help you.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have come so I can.
What, beta? I have come so that I may help you. I have come so that I may help you. Number 10th. Sheila is tall, Mala is taller. You have to use the word than.
Ma'am, Mala is taller than Sheila.
Right, correct.
Ma'am,
Ma-
Sheila.
Mala is taller than Sheila. No, no, who is taller? Yes, Mala is taller. Sheila is tall, Mala is taller. So Mala is taller than Sheila. Correct. Next. We ran. We wanted to catch the train so that. You have to use so that together. The first one, earlier one
Ma'am,
was. Yes.
so that we can catch the train.
Okay, we could. Okay. Uh, we ran so that we could catch the train. We ran so that we could catch the train. Next, you'll have to practice regularly. You cannot be a great singer otherwise. You have to use the word unless to add these two sentences. Start with you cannot be a great singer.
Ma'am, you cannot be a great singer unless you have to practice regularly.
Unless you don't add have to, unless you practice regularly. Okay, you cannot be a great singer unless you practice regularly. Next, he had been selected for the school team. Full stop, he was satisfied. Full stop, use the word after. He was satisfied, start with that. He was satisfied.
He was satisfied after he had been selected for the school team.
Okay, right. He was satisfied after he had been selected for the school team. Next, he was not well. He didn't go to the office as. Start with the second part.
Ma'am, as he was not well, he didn't go to the office.
Okay, you can write as he was not well, he didn't go to the office, or you can also write he didn't go to the office as he was not well. Last one here. It rained very hard. The roads were flooded. Use so that separately. Start with
Ma'am,
it.
it rains.
It rained.
Ma'am, it rained so hard that the roads were flooded.
Right, correct. It rained so hard that the roads were flooded. It rained so hard that the roads were flooded. Alright. Now we move to third type of conjunction here, the correlative conjunctions. So correlative conjunctions means those who relate to things. So such as both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, no sooner than, whether or, hardly when. So these are the pairs of conjunctions that help us to join two balance clauses, phrases or words. For example, both Karan and Cyrus enjoyed the film. So two type of balance clauses, like Karan also enjoyed the film and Cyrus also enjoyed the film. So we can use both Karan and Cyrus enjoyed the film. Then have a look at the next one. Indian food is not only delicious. So Indian food is delicious. It is also beautiful to look at. And so you can write Indian food is not only delicious but also beautiful to look at. So his grandfather, he could not read, he could not write also. So his grandfather could neither read nor write. Okay, so the next exercise that we have is to join these pair of sentences using correlative conjunctions. It is in the form of fill in the blanks. Okay, first one. The test was
Ma'am, not only very long but also difficult.
right. Okay, that is correct. The test was not only very long but also very difficult. Okay, not only but also. First one. Second, he is dash smart, dash talented.
Ma'am, he is both smart and talented.
Very nice. He is both smart and talented. Both and. The hurricane was devastating. Dash for people, dash property.
Ma'am, the hurricane was devastating both for people and property.
or not only but also was devastating not only for people but also property. So you could use both. Fourth, dash had I left the house, dash it started to rain.
Ma'am, no sooner had I left the house when it started to rain.
Then it started to rain, right? No sooner had I left the house than it started to rain. Next one. Dash had I stepped out of the kitchen, dash I started to smell something burning.
Ma'am, hardly had
Hmm.
I stepped out of the kitchen when I started to smell something burning.
Okay, hardly had I stepped out of the kitchen when I started to smell something burning. You could have also used no sooner than, but hardly and when also is correct. Okay, next. We went to dash the wedding, dash the reception afterwards.
We went to both the wedding and the
Wedding
reception
and the
afterwards.
Okay, correct. We went to both the wedding and the reception afterwards. Right. Next, we can go to dash Italy, dash Spain for a holiday.
Ma'am, we can go to both Italy and Spain for our holiday.
Or you can give a choice.
Ma'am, we can go to either Italy or Spain for a holiday.
Right. We can go to either Italy or Spain for a holiday. So either or. It's my final offer. You can dash take it, dash leave it.
Ma'am, you can either take it or leave it.
Okay. You can either take it or leave it. And so in the seventh one, both Italy and Spain, you can use either both Italy, both and or either or, any of the two. Eighth one, either or. It's my final offer. You can either take it or leave it. Ninth one, dash Prashant, dash Shashank must have done this mischief. Yes? Dash Prashant, dash Shashank must have done this mischief.
Ma'am, both Prasant and Shashank must have done this mischief.
Okay, both Prashant and Shashank, or you can either write either Prashant or Shashank. Either Prashant or Shashank must have done this mischief. Next, dash cricket, dash football are popular in India.
Both cricket and football are popular in India.
Right, both cricket and football are popular in India. Dash Peter, dash Andrew has passed the test.
Ma'am, both Peter and Andrew has passed the test.
Okay, both Peter and Andrew have passed the test, or you can also use neither Peter nor Andrew has passed the test. Even that is correct. Okay, next. He is dash a professional footballer, dash a successful businessman.
Ma'am, he is not only a professional footballer but also a successful businessman.
Okay, right. He is not only a professional footballer but also a successful businessman. Next, dash you love him, dash hate him. You have to admit that he is very popular.
Ma'am, either you love him or you hate him, you have to admit that he is very popular.
Either.
Ma'am, whether
Yes, ma'am.
Whether, use whether. Whether you love him or hate him. But you have to admit that he is very popular. So whether or. Whether you love him or hate him. 14th. I am totally confused. I don't know dash he is coming dash going.
Ma'am, whether he's coming or going.
Right, I am totally confused. I don't know whether he's coming or going. Correct. 15th. She dash wrote the screenplay for the film, dash acted a role in it.
She not only wrote the screenplay of the film but also acted in it.
Okay, right, correct. She not only wrote the screenplay for the film but also acted a role in it. Not only but also. And the last one here. I do not know. Dash my father is arriving by the 8 o'clock flight. Dash 9 o'clock flight.
Ma'am, I do not know whether my father is arriving by the 8 o'clock flight or 9 o'clock flight.
Right. I do not know whether my father is arriving by the 8 o'clock flight or 9 o'clock flight. Correct. Okay, so that was it. Have you missed anything, anyone?
Ma'am, exercise C 12th.
Exercise C 12th. Okay. He is not only but also. Not only a professional footballer but also a successful businessman.
No, ma'am, it is of D.
Ma'am,
She's
C.
asking of
Sorry,
D.
sorry,
Ma'am,
sorry.
C.
C12? You will have to practice regularly that one.
Ma'am.
Okay. You cannot be a great singer unless you practice regularly. You cannot be a great singer unless you practice regularly.
Ma'am, D13.
D13. Okay. Whether or. Whether you love him or hate him, you have to admit that he is very popular.
Ma'am, D5.
D5. Okay. D5 is no sooner had I stepped out of the kitchen than I started to smell something burning, or you can also use hardly. Hardly when. Hardly had I stopped, sorry, hardly had I stepped out of the kitchen when I started to smell something burning. So you can use hardly when also. Yes, anything else?
No, ma'am.
So all of you have finished? Nothing missed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Done.
ma'am.
Okay, fine.